Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday morning market webcast. Okay, so daily chart, that lower high and now a lower low. So the bears have executed after the double top. So we had a September 2018 high, 29.61 quarter on June 19 contract. They matched that back on May the 1st. We did a lower high at 28.94. And we've talked all week, the key was breaking this 27.99.75 low that we made on the 14th of May. They did that, and they've ran it down as low as 27.66.25 yesterday. So the key for me is how does it want to deal with the 200-day? How does it want to deal with the 100-day on any kind of a rally? The 100-day, it tried to hold it up. There's no reason why the bulls couldn't, allow, or the bears couldn't allow another pronounced lower high as long as they continue to make lower lows. And the way this, potentially sets up, if they want to live below the 200-day, is they could start to expand that range to the downside and start to seek some of those lower prices from earlier in the year. The other alternative is, and the gateway to that, before I move on, the gateway to that is going to be to try to engage a lower band ride on the daily here. They're going to have to print. They'll have to go back to the lows in order to print that today, because those bands are going to continue to expand to the downside as price moves. Any upside as a last resort is going to have to be contained by the mid band. That's not obviously for today, but that is for the next couple of weeks. The mini, just like most things, tends to trade upper band, middle band, lower band. Lower band didn't make it to the middle band. That was a big tell. And then back to the lower band. And things that want to trade between the middle band and the lower band, our baseline assumption with those is that that is a sell rallies market. And what we have been doing is, to a great extent, is selling rallies. Okay. So we had another really nice day in the room yesterday. Let's go to the hourly chart. All this weekly pivot resistance from Sunday through the holiday session into Tuesday came to roost yesterday with a continuation of the acceleration down from late Tuesday. So Wednesday was about being trend down. Now, the afternoon, the bears ran into trouble. They still have a lot of difficulty putting together an entire day. They put together an entire afternoon here, but don't forget the pop-up to test weekly pivot. For me, the whole body of work on Tuesday was more impressive by the bears than yesterday. We went ahead and we made that low in the 11 o'clock hour, and the afternoon was really about coming up off of that low. The hourly mid-band tried to hold in price, but it's up over the top of it now, and it actually just tried to confirm back a little bit after 8 a.m. Eastern time, weekly pivot in the hourly mid-band as support down in and around 27.84. So job one for the bulls this morning is going to be hold 84. Hold 84.85. The low actually was 85. Hold 85. Get up over the top of 93 and try to head back towards the roundy at 2,800. What do the bears want to do? They want to convert 85 and then get back to 66, breach 66, so I can keep moving this lower low tag down and down and down and down. So Thursday into Friday should be directional days. That should favor the bears. The bulls are going to have to overcome all of that. So to review, when the weekly pivot makes up its mind early in the week about whether it wants to be support or resistance, by the time you get into Thursday and Friday, generally you get directional down days that are in favor of the side that won the battle over weekly pivot. The bears have clearly won that battle. So Thursday into Friday, it gives the bears an opportunity. It gives them an advantage for those directional days to the downside. So watch 85 off the open. Watch the roundy on the up if they can get through 93. On the down, you got to go sub 66 quarter in order to keep the train going for the bears. Take care. Trade them well. Talk to you soon. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.